Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your subject teacher of social study of LPM Public School, and in this video we are going to discuss about the worksheet of chapter number 17, and your chapter name is People Who Inspire Us. So student, this is the part 1 of chapter number 17. So first of all, let's have a quick overview on the chapter number 17 once again for your better understanding and for your worksheet, because the whole worksheet depend upon the chapter number 17. Your chapter name is People Who Inspire Us. So students, it means there are many people who inspire us in many ways. There are many people who inspire us in many ways by their words, action, speeches, and there are some men and women who through their action and words have made a huge difference in the lives of people. They fought to end the suffering and pain of others and help them lead a life of dignity and comfort. These great people live on forever in the hearts of the people whose lives they change. So, student, there are lots of people, and by their words, action, and speeches, have made a huge difference in the life of others people, in the life of a peoples of life of a people who are living in a society. So, first one is Florence Nightingale, the lady with the lamp. So, student, Florence Nightingale worked day and night to save the injured. At night, she would check on the soldiers. A lamp held in her hand. The soldier named her the lady with the lamp, and she is known as the founder of modern nursing, and millions around the world owe their health and life to her. Next one is Martin Luther King, is also a great personality, and he is inspired by the Mahatma Gandhi. He is inspired by the way of non-violent, and he also follow this way in his life. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. devoted his life to fight for the rights of the African American in the United States of America. And they also fought for the segregations, fought against the segregations, which is found in everywhere, in a school, in job, and in public transport in United States of America. And this segregation was done by the whites with non-whites people. Next one is Mahatma Gandhi, is also a great personality and one of the greatest leaders of the world, not only the India, of the world. In India, we call him the father of our nations. He was also lovingly called Bapuji and Mahatma. So students, and in this way there are many more personality that affect our life, that improve our life, and with their words and speeches there's made a huge difference in our life. So, and now come on the exercises. Look at the exercise first. Match the following, means in this exercise you have to match the column A with column B. So look at this. Look at the first number. Look at the first number. Here you can see the first number, the founder of the nursing profession. So who is the founder of nursing profession? Florence Nightingale. So student, here I have write the sequence and I have write the words in front of this word. I have write, and here we didn't have match because there's a rush among this. The founder of the nursing profession is Florence Nightingale. Look at the second, father of the nations. Who is the father of the nations? Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of our nations. So we call the Mahatma Gandhi as the father of our nation. So student, here I have not matched. I have write in front of this statement. So you can understood this. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nations. Get a third. Bharat Ratna. Who get the Bharat Ratna? Who get the Bharat Ratna? Mother Teresa get the Bharat Ratna. And here you can see Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa get the Bharat Ratna. It is the highest civilian award given by the government of India. Next, fought segregations. Who fought against segregations? Dr. Martin Luther King fought for the segregations. So here you can see Dr. Martin Luther King, and in front of this statement I have write the Martin Luther King. So students, I hope you all are understood. Now look at the second exercise. Choose the correct answer. It means in this exercise you have to choose the correct options from the given options. So look at the first one. Martin Luther fought against. So for which Martin Luther fought? Your option A, caste system. Your option B, slavery. Your option C, segregation. And your option D, poverty. So for what Martin Luther King fought? He fought for the segregations. So your option C is correct in third. Your option C is correct in first number. Look at the second. The person was associated with the Crimean War. So student, which person was associated with the Crimean War? I think everyone knows that. Florence Nightingale associated with the Crimean War, and it is the war between Britain and Russia began in Europe. And look at the options. Your option A, Mother Teresa. Your option B, Abraham Lincoln. Your option C, Florence Nightingale. And your option D, Martin Luther King Jr. Which option is correct? So student, Florence Nightingale was associated with the Crimean War. So your option C is correct, and you have to take the option C in second number. So now come on the third. When Gandhiji come back to India, India was ruled by. So student, when Gandhiji come back to India, then India was ruled by which country? Your option A, Britain. Your option B, South Africa. Your option C, USA. And your option D, France. Which option is correct? Your option B, Britain. So student, when Gandhiji come back to India, India was ruled by Britain. So your option A is correct, and in third number you have to tick the option A. So now look at the fourth number. To take care of the poor, Mother Teresa founded an organization called, so student, which organization found by Mother Teresa? Which organization was found by Mother Teresa? Your option is Save the Poor. Your option B, Mothers of Charity. Your option C, Missionaries of Charity. Your option D, Missionaries of Hope. Which option is correct? Your option C, Missionaries of Charity, is correct. So in fourth number you have to tick the option C. So now come on the exercise third. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. It means in this exercise you have to give answer according to the given question, and your answer should be in only one or two sentences. So now look at the first questions. Why was Florence Nightingale known as the Lady with the Lamp? So students, why was Florence Nightingale known as the Lady with the Lamp? So why we call the Florence Nightingale as the Lady with the Lamp? So your answer is Florence Nightingale worked day and night to save the injured At night, she would check on the soldiers, a lamp held in her hand. The soldiers need her. The soldiers, the soldiers said, the soldiers named her the lady with the lamp. Now come on the question number 2. Your question number 2 is, who was Martin Luther King Jr.? In question number 2, in answer number 2, you have to write about Dr. Martin Luther King. Your answer is, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. devoted his life to fighting for the rights of the African American in the United States of America. Now come on the next page and question number 3. What was the method developed by Mahatma Gandhi to fight the South African government? Your answer is Satyagrah was the method developed by the Mahatma Gandhi to fight the South African government. Look at the question number 4. Your question number 4 is, why was Mother Teresa awarded the Nobel Peace Prize? Your answer is, Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in recognition of her efforts to bring help to suffering humanity. So students, I hope you all are understood about this 3 exercise and you have to done all these 3 exercise in your CW copy. This is your today's homework. So that's all and thank you.